Hello guys, welcome to Tech Creator Joy. Hold Shift to plus and hold Alt to minus. Click to blank layer. Double click. Color dodge. OK. Press D for default color. Brush tool. Opacity 100 and flow 83 around. Now you can brush up to selected image. Copy layer 1. Drag and down the layer. Blur, Gaussian blur. OK. Copy again. Blur, Gaussian blur again. Then OK. Double click. Bevel and emboss. Drop shadow. Change opacity. Change size. Change spread. OK. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel Tech Creator Joy and hit the bell button to watch my new tutorial. Thanks for watching.